nti ni din we de dia me de to me hofo nipa
enkyere mia
nti so asante fa ka say nipa enkyere ne wadi amia
yeah
oman bia ne we betima koso yie wa abra ekurumufo no empebre ombese mfifiri because me hu say me de 1 million ba na menya 2 million no chena me nko ya adwuma bio
sure
ehenti no so impo wo tumi bi e de ya sa akra no a na amanfo say o mu di wachi a people will end up becoming lazy nti me hu so bi kwa amanemu a na ha me nti mete ye no ha me say maame no bibisa ato no I don't want to know much about what caused his problem but if you say ocho de ho na preoccupy na yese ko da fiase for 15 years nya ade a eda fam me krom dumasia ye odua bi wo ye fe no say nipa enkyere mia yes eduane din no
wo
nti ma ma ko dumasia no du dumasia ho a ahemfe nanim ho duane si ho no and people assume say edua say be ahombone for wo so ne sa no ma no that's what they okokroduma because ye sha nyina na ho so look at my age ne bia that's what still no people say edua people was on perception be say evil force and all that nti ni din we de dia me de to me hofo nipa
enkyere mia
nti so asante fa ka say nipa enkyere ne wadi amia
yeah
nipa enche ne wadi amia so just imagine say mama pat say ni din no
yeah mama pat
and a panel sorry you can make it over dinner ni abobo no nyuma ye de boso ya all kokko takoti find whatever within that short time you know you can't tell us say wo ungo fi o coffee and the prison on cause ko did 1 week people o them for 15 years
anya de kitwa
how will you accept it nti me no even obi kura na e bi on pe man say maybe who say me ye ne time for kura no say bibi sa ato na enya ade a ebe ye me den Timothy and I started thinking, okay, how will the children feel? First 3, 4, 5, 6 months. A month for baby after some time, will be a hobby. Now, and this first, no bit my phone. Now, here, one was through being any panel de watch and I'm going to be a bed dance over to my call, and I know, man. Nipa be a watching, I did be a feeling, hobby, I make up a provision, be a ho because my dream be a more deal honor. Uhu a oboka be funu me catch to omo ya nkwan a uhu nkwan na ni a na me say me ta ko prison ho na nse na me ko ache kakra na ye ta lunch ko ndie kwa bia nipa 500 na ya yete ka we bibiri ne de ko a bibiri ko ha me last time me ko am nko ho bi na lady bi ho no oye computer school ni me kai say me tua ne computer ni ma no I saw you register no prison ho ba oye online computer bibia nice it you na yini man I know how your computer classes
or classes no
yes
online
to me omo computer here omo ni computer ni because I want to I promise them and we send them some computers
wow
I was one prison yes nti so ko hwe omo condition wo mu ha if you be mpa ususu say oya watam for no you wouldn't even wish such an environment for the person okay nti you know first thing is me tie ne ha me oya oba in the first place me wo maame me onuano ma. So I'm just imagining, say, me my man, and me near baby, and I cause that situation in the how will I feel in the first place? And yeah, dear, effect. Now, what do you know? Twin chains were, or maybe so any emra woman a year, Juma, and that's say, or maybe to me to Pono BBR to me, I guess all years, emra age more man, because so I say, or mine will be a the OPEC. Now, emra be any way to me a guide a straighting here. It means or more no people will always defeat them and cheat on them.
All right.
Nti emra na boa ebo obi oye wiki ho ban. Na what try to minimize the power of those who are very strong. Na balance the be yin na betimi atena o man ni mu. For instance, na do pie na ebi a make e opeso kota ade na do. Ukura phone. Se emra bi ani ho se obi je o phone na nipa betimi akojelo obi betimi acha obonte aboa je o phone akọ.
No correct.
Nti emra boa element the aggressor na what try protect the weak. Ajuma mra no nti ye okromu a say expect mra so bitimi ayeden ajuma the would see any charges na mze akoye 2 say ba ko say false pretense and ba ko so ye charlatan no maybe the 2 ni nyina no omo ye lawyer for ni bitimi achechire mu yi ba o hwe mu I think say 2022 2023 ho ba bi na case na ko nti dodo na mo ka say was coming crop for because say we discuss it ba me ma o say. So the first thing is okay, 2 angles.
Yeah.
the person who is engaged in doing this thing now, who say a charlatan work, as I say, a condemn and say this is wrong. So we no more. As I say, you straighten.
Sure.
Because you can't be doing this. I say the way and say you want to encourage people to become lazy. Or maybe anyway, bet my cousin you are bra a krumu for no empebre. On person free because me who said me the 1 million ba. Na menya 2 million watch na. Me kwa adwuma bio.
Sure.
Ehenti no so impo wo to me bi e dey asa akra no a. Na amanfo say omu di wachi a. People will end up becoming lazy. And the more na kruma be lazy no, it means o man ntimi nkoso yi.
Productivity be low.
So or maybe anywhere say also be busy so. That is even if you have the power to be able to do that.
Sure.
Or maybe so because or chino be able to be 1 million go to na menya 2 million.
Yeah.
Na me twa na me dia na ya be ka be 1.5 na masa na ba bio.
Yeah.
Masa ba get 3 million. So at the end of the day no everybody become lazy. Nti impo say wo 2 million obetimi yes anoma no mpo na the country should not allow you to do that. Then you finish side that you say it takes two to tango.
Sure.
Ono nko anti me nya de oye no. Ezo onye obi ono so ready say me say me dey 1 million be kwa na makoje 2 million. So such a person is a greedy person.
The other corner.
We are greedy. We are ni. You are a bad person. You don't want to work hard to get money. You want to get things cheaply. And the world is ruled by the cheaters and the cheated. Those who want to cheat people end up being cheated. Because obi awo onim say obeye adwuma bosome yama be say 3,000 Ghana nya adwuma ketwa. Eso so no pa bia na okwa adwuma so na pa bosuoma na bia bosome so yama be say 3,000-4,000 bi. Na say wo je o mpese obeye say adwuma no. Na emu ko pe be say 1 million Ghana cedis akoma obi na the next week time akwaji 2 million. You are a bad person. You want to cheat nature. Such a person no you will be cheated somehow or the other. Until the case in essence, even though everybody is talking about the side of the story, no, people are not seeing those who are very ingenuine. They are not so genuine at all. They want to cheat. That's the main reason I was saying, I say a lot to a Juma is different from the or no yet. Betting is different from say obi say me sumsumini for 1 million brand I get 2 million. Whereas I want you want to cheat. A cheating propensity in our work. And many a times such people end up being cheated. To the yes, you know, I don't support the not yet see all when you say money, I don't support that. But those who were thinking say they could also become beneficial and as because of that acting so no omu said they are bad people, they are they want to get things cheaply, and instead they ended up being cheated by somebody who doesn't have something but claims to be having that. In fact, 3 days ago I was talking to somebody about my beliefs in life. I have many beliefs.
All right.
But the 2 cardinal beliefs be a media majumane say abrabom no man me uni many pedi. 2 things. It didn't kind of effort. It also mean a grace. You need these 2 things to become successful in life. If you want to be successful, you need these 2 things. Effort and grace. The effort then say be when you fra. We are visually impaired. Untimi nhu ade.
Yeah.
Na ekomede sika ni botom. Ebi amekan woni abusu bi create ho. So it's going to be very difficult for you to eat. And into no shedem was na wokekam na wusu a. Who is going to help you? But when you nya de anso na wo de na fafa dan ho na wo bie pono no. Na wo de nsa ka na ba bigida ka kwan ho na wo tene wo bu say ya. Trust me say acha about 2 hours no. Obenya ni be mienu miensa o mani bi betum a obenya bibiadi. So you walking from your room as a visually impaired person to the roadside, then you get the effort we will put it in. Then what stretcher on sano? The mercy of God will touch some hearts, and then they will also offer you some support. In the abrabomono, in general sanity, you must put in some effort. And then when nature sees that effort to know enough,
then the grace
will come for you to also merit or kind of have good result to be able to me abo. And it say obi ye na djuma o ton ade wa de a wo ton no bi a market in sheda nkoso yi. Oti wanim fine. Ade a wo ton no bi a location is very good. Okọ adwuma mu ntem. O force say be e beto ade amount. But wo normal ton no nko yi a. Na wo nsusu ye say bi a we de bi a obi na ebi ko amekan wa be ya aduro bi o madwuma mu ana ebi ko obi na ekweti amenti na madwuma nkoso a. And no sir, no, you can go to somebody or you say, oh, me ya majuma na majuma na me ya no man ko yi. ma be ye me say bia na obi na aye me say na say bi kwa na obi a menye ton ade a ton the same thing on the same area na bi o wakwaji bi bia say ma ade ntino is there any way obetimi aboa me such a situation no dey make say eno eye okay because already the effort is there onye kwadofo wo ye noma o for so try your best but the best is not producing any meaningful result and until na ho akonya say ebi etu anamo na kọ obi ho na say wo to na wako obi nchen say nipa no onye sika ma baby me buy wa ho be ka chiro obi ba me ho oba me ho no ade a ono hwehwe na me hwe nanim sa sinya saka me sinya ba ko ya SOMPA ma ono oba ye no
yeah nana
na ayi madam fu bi na ba wo ha na no se open adwuma yie na obo ano sei bibia ye ya ma no na me ne me pene se me pese me nyesika pa we uti the voice to him say e ba won ayi no so se me ba me pese me nyesika pa na de be se me ye ne se obema ma de bi a fisika no na no wo da mu se ya na o ka no o mama de bi a be produce sika na bi esi da mu na ma pa adwuma keto bi ye wa bontenti no amanfo be ka se madwuma me ye na te
nti na be ma
o be ma nti me kwa ma ko fa sika no si ya o me kwa ma ko sa sika no nti o kasa ya wie na me say menye sa normal no I told him say I don't do those things menye sa normal no na ofi say so bia say obeye sa na wo ye na china bi ni say opese kokoto ade kwa wo still man ka hwan e be so na ma wakoto bi because bibia was sika bia ade be fima na wo da mu a say na ehia sa bakọ ye adwuma because so kona ya figu no akosa bibribe so people have this kind of mindset say there are people bia ye betimi amma sika wa abra wonye bibia and I'm telling you say this world we're successful like two things put in some effort by working then ebia working awoye no ebia enso aba ma the way open house wo jempa bo bi de tachire say be ya wadwuma na awoye na ejani work na ye a problem bi anim nti say amanfo badwen say radio so TV so de bia but for only 2000 ba now you have 4000 and then people believe these things
and so Nana my problem now is Ghana ha you need regulated or regulate is
a problem muna mo media for the same na mbisa mo because radio station TV stations that at times wo hwe sa normal no wo so no me fi say Ghana NCA for na regulate that normal nyina so why will you permit the na malam bi ababetena abonten e wo TV so na o yisika gu ho there's one guy bi on so malam
all right
offer me free no oba fi oba me ho fi o so free nkoko ano kan
yeah
nti oba ye no na so ha me programs na me man to me obetimi di ayes a double money no yeah he came to me or ye be famous oba ayi omo TV ni bi so na me say ha me tell who say why we be with TV no so o say na nde ya san no brother onu nanum tom onu nanum tom
e je for buntie o
nipa make me
na so dey
e bia obe ende abo watching this video me mbo bi edi but o ka kire me say or petumi he has been following me for a very long time
sure
na amanfo bia maba me nchen ni edi nkomo nso no o petumi obeti buy double money na obi a minimum because you famous na
say grass of you with the
na say na say ya we sika ni bi woti na nde ya azan they me correct one na me say o menye double money I don't give those things they actually be didn't come e ma me guide and say some of these things when you're very careful because there are repercussions so all that I'm saying is say
yeah
for somebody to think say menya to me and me double money and menya sika say there are people who are very lazy who want to cheat nature okay such people will be the target of this person who is looking for power to do double money. But I met what they say, you know, mincha loto, menya betting, and just say be a evil.
All right.
And just say I want to use my hand to work. Nti majuma na me ye na say be a enko ye na mbese me 200 mo be a na my. Na say free money ni cheap money.
Nana me catch loto ni bet in the ground. Nana me di me hu shemu kakra.
E be du sika nyina.
Nana enti mi sika nyina. Samu kan tanka bisa. Nana. Nana mo ano but we dey too sure about
we go try boom. Ama
o kire me plan Me say anajoro me ko die no. Me dey pray me ko mu sa
and so
na say effort o. Effort na me dey work here.
It's true.
Not the grace na ma.
See, the whole point is say it doesn't mean say any effort be so na genuine.
Good.
The over the masters the more you say you there's a word, a mystical term. There's a word I'm looking for.
Okay.
I just say, your abominable activities,
okay,
and unabominable activities.
Okay, that's fine.
And you know, what effort now we put in, make sure say it is not geared towards abominable activity.
Okay. And the abominable activities,
for instance, they say, me Hare Krishna, I don't drink alcohol, I don't smoke. We need cigarette in this eye in their hair, but no cocaine. I don't do any of these things. I don't eat meat. So I cannot imagine myself maintaining a slaughterhouse. Everybody say, I cannot imagine myself maintaining a beer bar or a beer parlor. And I say, baby, a ton we and a ton cigarette.
You can't.
Because me who said these are abominable activities. And because of me putting effort, and my effort is I'm maintaining a slaughterhouse. No, you are engaged in an abominable activity. So that is not recommended. They recommend I say, Obioya and robber, almost blessing me BBR. Carrying gun and managing people and following them. You are putting an effort, but your work you're doing an abominable activity. So it is not right for you to do that. They are no maybe they are considered to be abominable activities. So a devotee of the Lord should not be found engaged in some of these abominable activities. Find on abominable activity, put in some effort, the grace will come. To be honest with you, no, I'm sure say the court and a canon. If truly no idea say or young crofosa and you're non kwana system no or ye be at there are a lot of people in the system, somehow or the other, they find ways and means to do some of these things. And I think say and pay focus say who say a jato young bobby say more. First day I think as an suicide no.
Sure.
But he says no man fancy for bobby say no soon.
Oh, rather. What you say?
They say yeah upgrade is a proverb.
Oh.
So who so be about say a get them near share. Don't just find water. Never see what say oh train say but tomorrow you do no. For bobby say no soon no preko. So what I'm trying to say here is say who you be also somehow or the other you are engaged in some of these kind of activities. Be very careful. Adebi ohana say obi enyisu obi set example eya na ne kana eden. The way na sister Mama part need na ko basa no. One way very easy for the court to be able to engage in some of this kind of normal court work. Until yes, the issue na aba and obi e can be. Oko social media na he comment na Ghana for your nkrofobia sebi nka asem tu nkrofo a ka hu se ahumobro o makwam. But okay can comment in regards to my issue about 70 to 80% nyina no seem say they are happy with
what has happened.
So what is meaning is say somehow or the other and people were not very pleased with the way you're normal. Do you be also follow my footsteps? And the first step as in say be na juma oye. Baby can make how communicate with abonting. And in fact, me obi a me follow no. I don't follow her.
All right.
But don't say social media way no. Who say na video bi obi aye no. Na betwam ba ko pe. So ba ko mienu mi ense bi a matie ne kasa me anya dia e me fe. Because I know very well say ye kasa obi ye nyame dwuma. Say mami no oye comfort some time ago. And then all of a sudden say what change it. Which I feel so obi bia na onu ye Christiani and that time because say mami was saying they are very good. But that time I know you comfort no. Anytime Obabe your software, Obebisa who say, was there so much transformation between the two personalities? Even I think even first no conform na or you're more calmer than time Obabe your software.
No, yeah, conform
na time tinning can. But you obey your software cry na say. Ne won semba bonti bibi ne kasa ne order. So abani say no. You say we panyimu cry na say okwa amane mu a. Wotum nya akra mane tuofo. Eye ampadu eto nyumba na mbofogya osise wo ka timu a ana ma nyina eden e kire kaka
asa wo ka timu a ana ma nyina
e kire kaka They be a best and one tiasia, say, okay, Tim da. Na Tim what a chim. Now, what Tim our person, where then, what Tim maneuver way out of that. Now, I'm for you, one thing. I said,
we no grow. From my team of me that. Oh, sister, oh,
there's okay, Tim. And a man in a actual kaka. The I say, no, man, part, maybe our prisons and pass or why. She might hear some of these things. Personally, I don't feel very good. Say, Wakwa Mani himself, because who is on your bar, she can be my mom, she can be my sister or somebody close to me. And I'll pray, say, Okohono, Uncle Dasuba Biedi, Nam paying for at times, who will be called prison or Dasumba Papa, the Tim Fetch Castle. Said the what Dasumba paid into maybe I am pardon on the Bibisano, Nabi at me Abasaman. That's in case a Chinabi or Babo and Tia. Who say, some of these things might end up in a way I umpe, not on to no hopeful. So answer now, those are Abia Udima Bontin, but you are doing a similar thing. You should be very careful, meaning say what would be beside a bit to me about told. And I answer at MBA against say we want to cheat nature by getting the whole world money no in one day, no. You say be idea then you say you be and 10 no. You're very careful because the more person unya ohun 10 abra ombre no. There's every possibility say obakoto be some money pan so on person we parenting on so be chitu no. Na waji ade dey free some. So let's try, work hard. Nature have ways and means of blessing Crawford with wealth. Until you born homebody you no. If God is pleased with you, money will come. Until from both sides, those who be doing and those who be going for it, and you entry home for na say, and I'm not saying no to nemboa na watch on who at the free home. I am advised na me de ma sister Mama part or TBC ya. Only say a mistake may be a buy and a BBC. On to no year, there's every possibility to say because I ain't check. Na yes, pardon will be. It's possible sometimes that can happen. Na I'm on for our bond and so on. Enter into a no year because some of these things and it's possible say also bit many man yes.
But Nana, can it be say you share a year, dear Mamia Kumuna ne social media? When Faso or Basua walk Casano, would you advise her say? I was so chasso.
To be honest with you, no social media ya bro for ya be ye te Ghana ha ne yentimu nyehwe adidi ne adidi ne adidi among for my own social media, the money these people are making from here, genuine way of making money, and agro. But what the baddest part of the world they are, I say, atem didi ne ntokwa and unti and a social media. Yes, it's a suggestion I will give to those who are older than me, and the same suggestion no be advice to those who are not older than me. Because what I believe they say, you cannot advise somebody who's older than you.
Yeah.
You can only suggest.
Yeah.
But those who are probably older than them, they should take it as advice. Social media was created for beautiful purposes. You're making sure say you be useful for such purposes. Now you're careful how I communicate your message and information on the social media. Say I mean, don't want now on more social media, say be AB or more lambasted no. Young Crawford be or monim the face to face.
Yeah.
The moment young Crawford, AB or more any programs they were conducting who they were communicating. And I'm a man for being full to the point saving. Nkawuni akwa maniemu a year and get o ma already a man no. Omokra na se bi e o mo de se bibisa atu nipa no. Nti in case say nyame na dom na oba bontin biu na obeye communication through social media. I think say onhunu
but prison horo omo use phones.
According to amount for munim ni de omo phones omo de asiesie omo even though mra na makwan.
Mra makwan say prison house.
In the prison house you can't use mobile phones there.
Oh really?
But so no mo ye calls ho. They do make calls. According to information, called do na omoyes are scamming. Sister Neo London. Unim sister wa London unim men. Sanko for the Ramuso prison house. Yes. Oh yes. According to sources. I don't want now, but when I first say, hey, me our sister Amani o, meton kan cho he. Oh, Sanko for na no my voice or bad voice. Do na prison house. Omoko go duro wi no munya sa ya amfoni bi no mo be yes no man sa anti even though mrana makwan but these are things because I share program be Moses station be na host ba kon interview prisoner bi na kwan mfa so mo de dress call cells ho ne no man enya sam ketwa
wow
serious me share I personally watched it so no me cause of prison house in there I think say bibia e wo so nti my part obeti yenka wo holes obeti yenka wo hin. I would personally suggest to her, I don't know whether I'm older than her, but I would like to suggest to her, say Chinebino, say Bibini be our barbon earlier than time as it's now, which personally I would be happy because me, I don't want any human being to go through pain. On whom they will be communicating. Yes, if you ask one who were doing it, and a Ghana for ebi a omodia no no nche but wa asem de omo no beche
omo no be call the pe
nti no wan hwe yi a no bi wa wo ya kasa amanfo ani ni wachi e mo find ho into difficulty bi a that is when you will be able to know say ebi a how na conduct ho no amanfo enhye da anyeden pentima part in case wo teme nkan SOMPA it's a suggestion for me a humble person I'm telling you say how now communicate you know. Looking at the commenter about case, you know, you said people were not pleased with the way I communicated.
Sure.
And then you say, "Obi and communicate the way I may." You try and find ways and means. I'll beat me a Tony down, kakra. And I say, "Bit to go about one thing." Some of these things, you know, you go off social media. We are so mammy. You can a lot of us for my on social media.
Yeah, no.
But I still have their members out there.
Yeah.
Until if you say, "Bibi say I know a bit boy, Bibi to me." I to you.
Now, Jnana, you better say, if you two are with your ma. Evangelist Mama part aka Agradaa na one year 8 years so as su ne ban ne bi ekura omo a omo de bu amanfo no omo so akwa ama omo na one aspect how come ne touch me ne say omo a omo so omo kɔ ho say omo kɔ akɔpɛ double money omo de no so anka wo say emra no so timi chi omo yeah nim say emra bi omo sa
there be say we no man kwan obi akiti unti ene de we na wabre de me say mra no be ka say we na wa bi o the first no ka say obi tra say okum no ho a
yeah
wow so o community suicide no ye chew
right
because ye tell say unya ku hu wi a ofunu no kwan kosi o de ofunu no abeto say me abebre e be chew aso for you trying to commit suicide but obi a wan ka say okura sika na akoma obi akiti wi de say one ho be kire unti no keep it but I think say people should be very careful.